Human body quiz. Walking, running, and carrying a book involve according to me, it is a voluntary type of muscle, and it is correct. A cardiac muscle tissue can be found in heart. Cardiac muscle means they will never tired. Skin help the body maintain to stretch through maintain a steady temperature through perspiration and enlargement of blood vessels. Next, digestion begins in mouth. Human heart has four chambers. The top chamber of the heart is called, this I have taught you many times, that is atrium. The bottom of the heart is called ventricle. So this quiz will be the last part of human body quiz. I will bring many human body quiz but in different way. Okay, so this will be the last part. I think it is 7th or 8th of this time, this presentation. Here the some KMNO4 also written. Okay, an atom also written in background. Ventricles, veins, and capillaries are, according to me, is a vessels, but I think it's a organ. It is vessel. This blood group is called universal donor. That is O group, type O. In which structure the blood filtrate within the kidney? That is nephron. Water, urea, and other waste are eliminated in the fluid is called. It is urine. Dash keep the urine and break down the red dash make urine liver. Oh, liver, no, urine is make kidney store. The urine make the kidney and break down the old, that is kidney. Auxin, cell body, and deterrence are the part of a nerve cells. Next, a nerve cell is called neuron. Next, a central nervous system include brain and spinal cord. Next, the peripheral nerves include, it is spinal cord. No, periphery, that is brain and spinal cord only. The part of a brain responsible for thinking and memory, that is cerebrum. The part of a brain responsible for involuntary actions such as breathing and heartbeat, that is medulla oblongata. Only medulla written. Endocrine gland that help blood glucose level, that is pancreas. Next, the endocrine gland helps control other glands and regulate blood pressure and blood vessel controls, that is control other gland, that is pituitary. Endocrine glands change male body and regulate the promotion of sperm, that is testes. The endocrine gland regulate the hormone that control metabolism and energy related reaction, that is thyroid gland. The term which describe the time of egg revolt, that is fertilization, ovulation, release. What is the term which describe the joining of sperm and the egg, that is fertilization, the fusion of egg. The primary function of this system is to communicate and respond to other body, that is nervous system. The primary function of the system is help to fight pathogen, that is lymphatic system. The primary function of this body system is break down the food into usable. This will be the last question now. The primary function of this system is to break down the food into a usable form and remove, that is digestion. Digestion, where is digestion? And this question in next video. The bone that protect the brain is called, the bone that protect, I know this answer. If you know this answer, please comment in the comment box. Okay, and this will be not a last part of the video. I will show all the answer, all the question in this app is given. Okay, so bye bye and have a nice day.